Good morning, friends, customers, clients. I remain my humble self, Mr. Donald of Docherich Nigeria Limited, dealers of good quality stone-coated roofing sheets. That's what we do. That's our brand. That's our logo. That's what we do for a living. We sell good quality roofing sheets at good prices. So I just want to show you a particular roof design that I would like you to know about. I would like you to be aware of this roof design. The demand is pretty not much for now because it's still kind of new. It's a new product, but it's very lovely. It's called Brown and Black Milano. Brown and Black Milano. Look at it over here. It's a very simple roof tile. Can you see? Brown and Black Milano. These are the gutters. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 gutters. Brown and Black Milano. One good thing about this Milano is that it has this brown color which camouflages with dust. So during the dusty season, during the dusty period where everywhere is dusty, when dust settles on this brown, it can blend with the dusty environment. And it has striped black, which means no matter the paint you use it on, it will still fit into it. You know, black is a color that accepts almost all kind of paint. That is why some people prefer to use black as their roofing, because any paint you put with black goes. So this touch of black here will make this house, whatever paint you use on this house, on the building, to balance up with the roofing. And the brown here will help it camouflage with dusty season. This is one benefit this roof tile has over some regular roof designs. It's called Brown and Black Milano. It's very durable. I give you 50 years warranty for it. It's very lovely. If you need this roof tile, if you're interested in this roof tile, you call me. The sooner the better, because every day dollar is increasing in the black market. Currently it's 419 naira. If it goes more than that, the price of this roof tile goes up. If you want to know about this roof tile, if you want to get more information on this roof tile, you call Mr. Donald on 0706-276-4235 or 08144262260. Docherich Nigeria Limited. Your roof remains our maximum priority. Thank you. And God bless you.